Let's review forklift operations at FiberSource. This video is an introduction to the essential rules and safe practices required for operating powered industrial trucks at our facilities. Only trained and authorized personnel may operate forklifts. Operators must complete required training and use only the equipment they are approved to operate. Operators must report unsafe conditions immediately and never operate unsafe equipment, and must always follow all regulatory safety rules. Supervisors ensure employees are authorized and retrained when needed. Forklift training covers the fundamentals of how the equipment works, including its controls, visibility challenges, stability, and proper load handling. Operators also learn to recognize workplace hazards and follow safe fueling procedures. To complete certification, each trainee must score at least 90% on the written test and successfully pass a hands-on driving evaluation. During hands-on evaluations, operators demonstrate safe control of the lift, load handling, and maneuvering in real facility environments. Always operate at a safe speed, no faster than a quick walking pace. Wear your seatbelt at all times. Use the horn at intersections and blind corners and always yield to pedestrians. Never reach outside the protective guard. Do not raise or lower forks while moving. Stay within the forklift's load capacity. And if the truck begins to tip, do not jump, stay inside and lean the opposite direction. When parking, set the parking brake, lower the forks completely, and neutralize the controls. When replacing propane tanks, smoking is prohibited within 25 feet. Wear a face shield, safety glasses, and gloves. Park safely, close the shutoff valve, and run the engine until it stops. Inspect all fittings for leaks and ensure good ventilation. LP gas is heavier than air. Lift propane tank with your legs, not your back. Ensure all tank straps are secure, and store full or partially full tanks only in approved storage cages. Contractors may operate forklifts only with approval from the safety administrator. FiberSource regularly reviews and updates this safety program to ensure continued effectiveness and compliance. Thank you for completing the FiberSource forklift safety training. Remember, safe operation protects you, your coworkers, and our workplace.